Welcome to Shulex. Let's get started to learn more about our AI-powered tool in just 30 seconds. Firstly, click on View followed by Get Insights to gain in-depth product and consumer insights. You can learn more about your customer portrait such as gender, age, location, as well as their consumer behavior. The Product Feature Analysis tells us which features are most important to the customers and the negative or positive mentions associated with the features. The Wish section enlightens you on your customers' expectations, so you know exactly what your customers want. You can find out customers' positive and negative opinions by clicking on the Usage Scenarios tab and the Opinions tab, and you can get useful insights by clicking on each keyword. If you want to analyze your own topic, click on the Topic setting to add it. Besides, you can read all customer reviews in the Reviews tab. Keywords of the reviews have been extracted to ease reading and analysis. Do you want to gain insights into your preferred products? Simply click on Create and upload ASINs. If you can't recall the ASINs, don't worry. Install the Shulex plugin from Chrome Web Store and click on Add to add any product to your collection. You will get the analytical results in just a few minutes. What are you waiting for? Boost sales with Shulex now.